Hi, in front of me is Cubot X19 S, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. Start by opening settings and scrolling down. Now choose security and location, tap on face unlock and choose enroll face. Over here enter your current login method. Read the disclaimer, tap on start enroll and read the instructions. When you're done, tap on OK. Now, when I go back, turn off my screen, then turn it back on. I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!